How to fix Canva saving paused on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Canva saving paused on Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Canva, click on it. Now click storage and then clear cache, and now go back and try to save it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click permissions and make sure storage is allowed, and that's it. Then go back, try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it. It's easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.